Open the job file. For all jobs that shall be produced with the QR code production, the preparation steps must be completed in advance. Since the preparation hasn't been done yet, start with the production of the preparation steps. These steps can be executed with a BHS150 feeder and stacker or with manual board handling. The ICC camera reads the register points and detects the edge in the next step. Manually flip the sheet on the table. Afterwards, the ICC camera detects the edge again and the cutting process starts. The finished sheet is placed on the stack. After the preparation steps, the jobs are ready to be produced. Start the jobs with the QR code production. The QR code gets scanned. And the edge is detected. After edge detection, the cutting process begins. If a QR code cannot be read or the job cannot be identified, you can either enter the QR code manually or skip the board without processing. For a summary and written information on the QR code production with BHS150, please also refer to the short guide. You should have received the short guide with your BHS150 as print version. Alternatively, you can request it at your Zünd contact person or via My Zünd.